Well, welcome back. It is coming up on 8:13 this morning. We are back at the new segment called In the Kitchen. KREM2 is partnering with Food Services of America to introduce you to local chefs and inspire you to get cooking at home. This morning, we have chefs Alexa Wilson and Miles Boggio are joining us in the studio. So we want to quickly introduce yourselves and a little bit, maybe your background in the cooking field. We'll start with you.
My name's Alexa Wilson, and I always say food service chose me. I didn't really choose it, but I work for Food Services of America now, helping our customers be more profitable, have more fun in their kitchens, and improve their businesses.
And Miles?
I started this job back when I was 14 and been in the business now for 34 years, and for the last 4 years in a consulting chef position that I'm in now.
All
It's
right.
been fantastic.
And so, I mean, this is your guys' life here, cooking here.
Yeah.
And this morning, we are having a bit of a battle royale with waffles. And I know when I make them at home, I have the pre-mixed powder. You just mix with water, and it just is the same old waffle. These are nothing like that. So let's talk about what we're doing over here.
These are a little like that.
Okay.
Because we actually did use, we both used a mix.
Okay.
So my waffle is more of a southern style waffle, like a cornbread waffle. Started with some bacon fat. That's my little secret ingredient. And then I'm gonna top this guy with bacon and with smoked cheddar cheese from Tillamook, and with a little cilantro and green onion.
I would never thought to put all that.
A little green chili. I
In
know
the waffle.
Miles thinks he's going to get you with the chocolate over there.
I mean, they both smell good. They both
great
look
dinner.
delicious.
It's a great dinner
There's a lot
waffle.
of whipped cream over there, so I like that.
Uh-oh, I'm in trouble.
And these are recipes, too, that people can do at home. These are ways to jazz
Very
up and get
simple.
to people cooking in general.
Absolutely, absolutely. Why not have a little bit of fun with it? This one I put some corn muffin mix in.
With the waffle mix? Okay, excellent. And you said bacon fat was the secret ingredient. I love that. I love that. We'll let that cook. And now what we're doing, let's talk about what we're doing over here.
Well, we are being a little on the chocolate decadent side over here, so what I am doing, instead of using a traditional waffle batter or waffle mix, we are actually using cake mix.
Oh, so we're talking about maybe like dessert waffles here.
Yes.
Okay.
So what I've done is taken a cake mix, my favorite cake mix, and I've added in some chopped pecans, some mini chocolate chips. Stir that all together.
Calorie-free, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. As
That's
soon as you
my
cut into it,
favorite
the calories all leak out.
We're focusing on the finances for the new year, not necessarily the weight loss.
Yeah.
Well, you got to be happy, right? And I feel like food is something we can all come together on and enjoy.
Certainly is.
Excellent. So these are just some ways people can jazz up homemade waffles. Is there anything else that you could suggest if they're just doing one thing at home, what would it be?
For waffles, boy, we've been doing a lot of testing in our test kitchen at FSA with waffles, actually using tater tots and cheese and mixing those together, hash brown waffles, all kinds of stuff. Really, a waffle is for lack of a better word, a panini grill that has little pockets of flavor in there that you can just add more things to it.
So we're thinking of this outside of the traditional breakfast realm. It can kind of go for any meal.
Absolutely. We've actually been doing some stuffing waffles too, where you take your traditional stuffing mix and put it in there so you get that nice crispy crust on both the top and the bottom. Totally different way to do your more traditional Thanksgiving flavors or
I
flavors.
love that idea. All right, looks like
think
we're
they're coming
kind of
together.
wrapping
We're getting
up here. Okay. By the way, I wish smell-o-vision was a thing because you guys have been in here for the past hour or so cooking up some waffles, and it smells so good.
Let's see if I can get this guy out of here.
Ooh, beautiful. That's going to be the trick if I ever do this at home, is making it look as pretty as you guys.
Now, also the trick too with using a cake batter, it takes about 4.5 to 5 minutes in the waffle maker, which is about twice as much time as a traditional waffle.
Okay,
So a little something to think
so we
about
had the
there.
magic of television.
Yes.
Voila. Okay. And then we have the other
A little bit
waffle
more
here.
traditional
Okay.
waffle batter, so this one didn't take quite as long. I'm going to just do a little lump of butter
You can plate it up. It looks gorgeous. You have some corn husks there.
and a little Chipotle honey, since honey goes so well with cornbread. And of course, I'm going to throw, a little more bacon on there to try to trump Miles and all of his chocolate.
And this looks good.
The
And
only traditional part of this one is a little Vermont maple syrup over the top. And then we've got some Nutella, a little dollop of Nutella. Always is good.
Nutella's the my crutch. It's so good.
And then you have to have a chocolate waffle. You have to have a little dollop of whipped cream.
A little dollop
Just
of
a little
whipped
whipped cream in there with that.
I think you're cheating, Miles.
Oh, well, I have to do the taste testing here. The Chipotle honey is interesting. I love that.
Little spice, little sweet. I even put a little pinch of salt in there too, so you get that almost like a salted caramel type of a balance between the sweet and, the savory.
You can taste the Chipotle, a little kick. I love that. That's delicious. So that's going to be like my first course. Now onto the dessert. And can't forget Nutella, all that good stuff. I once survived eating rice cakes and Nutella while traveling Australia. So
No, you won't.
I was a poor, starving college student. Delicious too. Oh, you guys, both of these are wonderful, wonderful. I have to suggest, can I declare both of you the winner?
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
I suppose.
Well, we love it, love it. Easy recipes for you to do at home. Thank you guys so much for coming in this morning. We will be seeing you back over the next few months on the show with some other great recipes anyone can do at home and introducing us to some local chefs as well, which will be really fun.
Fantastic.
Thank you guys so much for coming in, making us this beautiful spread. 8:19 on the clock now. We'll be right back.